Every night on the ancient savannah was a battle. Cold that seeped into bone. Rain that killed fire. Predators circling in darkness. Early humans had one instinct: find shelter or die. For most of prehistoric history, shelter meant finding it, not building it. A cave. A rocky overhang. Nature's architecture. Useful when available. Impossible when not. Then humans decided to make their own. The first constructed shelters were breathtakingly simple. Branches bent over and lashed together. Leaves and bark woven across the frame. Animal hide stretched tight. But they were built. Deliberate. Engineered. At Terra Amata in France, archaeologists found something remarkable: post holes from a deliberately constructed hut, 380,000 years old. Not a cave. Not a windbreak. A built home. In Eastern Europe, early humans found an extraordinary solution to treeless plains. Mammoth bones. Enormous curved ribs became the structural arches of their homes, stacked in interlocking designs of surprising engineering. These were not desperate improvisations. They were deliberate design choices. These builders understood load-bearing, drainage, and insulation. Engineering principles, quietly mastered tens of thousands of years before any university. Then farming arrived, and shelter was transformed. At Çatalhöyük in Turkey, 9,000 years ago, people built an entire city of mud brick homes packed side by side, rooftop to rooftop. Each home had a hearth, sleeping platforms, and storage pits built directly into the structure. These were not just walls against the weather. They were designed systems for human life. Every shelter required understanding weight distribution, how to span a gap without the roof collapsing, how to stack without the walls failing. These were humanity's first lessons in structural engineering. When shelter became permanent, everything changed. You could store food, keep tools, raise children safely in one place. Permanent shelter made specialization possible. And specialization built civilization. The individual hut became a cluster of homes. The cluster became a village. The village became a city. Each step demanded more sophisticated engineering: foundations, drainage, shared walls, communal spaces. And when cities required monuments, temples, palaces, tombs, shelter reached its highest form. Architecture. Not just protection from nature, but humanity declaring its presence to the cosmos. From bent branches on the African savanna, to mammoth-bone arches on frozen plains, to mud brick cities of the ancient world, to modern skylines. Shelter is the story of everything we became. I am Takku. The roof above your head carries the memory of every shelter ever built. Subscribe to Wisdom of Takku, because the road of knowledge ahead is long, brilliant, and waiting for you.